Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Google Play Services is updated and you have the Google account credentials ready. Open DB Legends and go straight to the in-game menu, then Settings or Account. Once there, choose the link or account option to begin. This initiates the OAuth flow and lets the game request permission. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection so token exchange won't fail, and have two-step verification accessible if your account requires it. Now you select Link Google Account and a Google sign-in window appears. This is where you authorize DB Legends to access basic profile info. Choose the correct Google account, double-check the email, because that determines future recovery and transfers. Grant the requested permissions. Without them, the link won't complete. Once you accept, the app exchanges tokens and the server verifies ownership. After a brief sync, look for the in-game confirmation or status indicator showing the linked email so you know the finish by confirming the link. Go to Account, Link Services, and verify the Google email is displayed. Then do a quick logout and log in to ensure persistence. If linking fails, retry sign-in and, if needed, clear DB Legends app cache or reinstall, and make sure Google Play Services is enabled. Also verify device date/time is correct because OAuth can fail with incorrect clocks. If issues persist, contact support with your player ID and a timestamp. They can trace token errors and restore linkage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.